Hello guys, welcome to LeetCode Daily Decode. Today we will be solving find players with 0 or 1 losses. So you are given an integer array matches where matches I equals to winner I and comma loser I, which indicates that winner I defeated the player loser I in the match. So you have a 2D array basically where the first element of the array and the second element of that particular list, they are winner and loser of a particular match, right? And you need to return a list answer which is of size 2, where answer of 0 is again a list of all the players who have not lost any matches, and list 1 is like answer 1 is a list of all the players who have lost exactly one match. uh, so also this list should be returned in increasing order. So like it's pretty straightforward problem. Let's quickly discuss how we can go about it. So yeah, so this is our solution will look like. What we are doing is, like, let's quickly understand how we are approaching this problem. So what we'll be maintaining, like we'll iterate over all the matches and we'll see that the first person has won this match and the second person has lost, right? So the number of matches won by this first person, first of all, we should maintain that, and the number of matches lost by this second person, we should also maintain that. But the question is asking just about the losses, right? So instead of maintaining both wins and loses, we will just maintain the losses, right? So for the first, like, let's start with this example. So if we are at this match, so the first player has won the match and third player has lost. So number of lost matches for the third player is increased by one, right? That is what makes sense. And number of matches played by both of them should be increased by one, but one has not lost any matches right now. Okay. Then we'll go to the next match. Then we'll see that 3 has again lost a match, so number of lost matches again increased by 1, and 2 has played only one match and he has not, he or she has not lost any matches. Same we'll do for all of them, and at last we'll iterate that uh, like uh, uh, particular data type where we are storing the value of which player has lost how many matches and which player has played how many matches. We'll save it as a key pair. Like, we'll have it in a map where the key is the player id, which is 1234, and the value is basically the list of two size of two size list basically. So let's quickly see how we have written the code here. So this is the score, uh, or what we can say, the main map that I was talking about. We'll iterate over all the matches. So if match 0, like in score, like if it is already there in the list in the map, then we'll just increase. So match 0 is basically the person who won the match, right? So only the number of matches played by him should be increased, right? And otherwise, if it is not there in the score, we'll make a new entry for that, and we'll assign it value of 0 comma 1, where 0 signifies the number of lost matches till now and number of played matches till now. And for the next condition that we have match 1 in score. That is the person who lost the match. Is it in already in the scoreboard or like the scorecard that we are maintaining? So if it is there, we'll increment the number of lost matches by that particular player, and we'll also increment the number of total matches played by that player. Otherwise, we'll make a new entry. If it is not already there in the score map, we'll make a new entry and we'll assign it value of 1 comma 1, where 1 signifies the lost, like he has already lost one match and he has already played one match. So this is how our initialization will be working. Then after that, we have two lists, right? No losses and one loss. And what we are doing is we are iterating over that key value pair or the map that we have created, and over the keys for that, and we are just checking that for that particular key, what is the status, like is the that does that player have lost any matches. So if they have not lost any match, we'll just add it to our no loss list. Otherwise we'll add it to our one loss list, where like if they have only lost one match, right, we'll add it to that, and we'll return a sorted no loss and sorted one loss, because that is what is being asked in the last line of this question. So let's quickly run the solution. Yeah, so it is accepted here. Let's submit it. So it's working fine, as you can see, although the time complexity, like earlier when I solved, it was pretty efficient, but yeah, like memory is very much efficient because we are not using, we are like using the map, and we are storing both the lost matches as well as the total number of matches that they have played in a single data entry, right? So yeah, I think this problem was pretty straightforward, but uh, I hope you guys have understood how we are approaching these problems. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.